go again. This is the E1F9 error. So what you gotta do is you gotta go cancel. Cancel some more. Open it. And then you have to check that nothing is blocking. And nothing is blocking it. So then what you would do is close it. Press cancel. It'll do its, hear that? It's draining. It's on the very bottom here. And you just gotta wait. 1 more minute to go. Okay, that 2-minute drain's finished. Let's do a quick start, and that should do it.